In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use templates to create editorial-style images, quickly and effortlessly. From the home page, go to Editorial Images. Here, you'll find a curated selection of ready-to-use templates. On the right, select a category, like menswear, women's wear, or product shot. You can also filter templates by tags, each representing a unique style or genre to help you achieve your desired look. Once you've found the right template, click Use Template. Then, upload or select your product and click Shoot Preview. Your images will be generated automatically. Use the Edit tool at the bottom to adjust the model's pose, facial expression, or background elements. Simply enter an instructional prompt and click Edit. For example, make the model pose high fashion. Make the model's expression happy. Or make the sky golden hour. Your edited image will appear in the Layers tab on the right. Next, apply the product using the Apply Product button. The AI will automatically identify and mask your product. Make sure to select an input image that closely matches the pose and angle of the generated image. The product applied layer will be visible in the Layers tab. Use the Compare button to view your generated image side by side with your input image and check for accuracy. Upscale the image using the Upscale button on the left to make it high resolution with realistic skin detail. Then, hit Download, choose your preferred format, and save your final image. And that's it. Your editorial image is ready to go.